My name's Alison Blackburn. I'm the lead nurse for inpatient pain at the RVI. I've worked in that role for a number of years. Prior to that, I was a staff nurse and then a research nurse in neurosciences. I guess my interest in research developed at that time whilst I was a research nurse. I had a lot of my own questions and I felt very much that I wanted to be able to develop and pursue my research ideas. So I've had the opportunity to do that on a number of occasions, and it's something that's very enjoyable, very rewarding, but does pose a number of its own challenges. I've had some very positive experiences with the research that I've been engaged with. It's really important that you get support from your clinical team and your directorate management team and the supervisory and university teams that you're going to engage with. But I can't tell you that it's been plain sailing all the way along. There are a number of challenges along the way and things that are not as straightforward as you might anticipate they would be. Equally, understanding the research processes, procedures and approvals that are required can be quite difficult at times. It is quite a difficult route to negotiate, and some help and advice along the way is always very useful. The Trust recognise that, which is great, and have therefore developed the 4Ps Research Development Programme and the NMAP support groups to help us to negotiate those difficulties. I co-lead the project module on the 4Ps programme with my colleague from Northumbria University, Vicky Smith. The project module is a way of getting your research idea to life. The research question, developing a methodology, are core elements of your project. And the project module will help you to think about that and to think about your project in great detail and signpost you to be able to construct a unique roadmap for your entire project. In the project module, we're going to consider how to develop a research question, how the influences on that development and how that's going to inform our type of research and our research methodology and ultimately the desired research outcome. We also look at the importance and relevance of public and patient involvement throughout the entire research process, and again how that's going to influence the desired research outcome. One of the areas that we look at in great depth is how to develop a research protocol. And whilst that's absolutely necessary, it's also incredibly useful. And finally, we look at the governance processes and procedures necessary for any healthcare research that will inform and keep the project as it should be. If you'd like any more information about the 4Ps programme or the NMAP research groups, then please just look at the website.